Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ang reading na to is about your future self. This is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested sa private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so tingnan muna natin kung ano yung timeline ng future self na ito. What is the timeline ng future self ng mga Sagittarius? This is, 10 years from now. Nako, baka yung mga single dyan may asawa na kayo. Okay, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng runes. You have Canas, you have Lagos, and this is Ihwas. Oh, okay. Merong rebirth. So, 10 years from now, it's like a major change. Like, totally different sa buhay mo ngayon. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung timeline na yan, no? Because Ihwas is about rebirth, endings. So, something is ending. This can be sa work mo, sa career mo, merong natapos na cycle sa buhay mo na na-accomplish mo na. Kumbaga parang yung iba sa inyo, maaring 10 years from now, you are retiring from work or you are retiring sa career or business na ginagawa ninyo. It's about change. It's about ending of something na sinimulan mo in the past and then it has been there for a long time. So this can be a career na meron ka. And then you have this is Canas, creativity kasi to. So I feel like meron kang i-release or iiwanan na isang like a situation or career path na matagal ka dyang nagstay to focus on something that is close to your heart, that is, kumbaga, mas mag-i-ignite ng iyong passion, creativity. And Lagos is about your emotions, your intuition. It's like your flow. I feel like, itong pagtatapos na to, 10 years from now, ay mararamdaman mo na kailangan mo nang i-let go because you want to focus on what you really want or yung passion mo talaga. Okay? Kumbaga, ginawa mo muna yung career mo or yung situation mo na maging stable and then after that, mag-shift ka into something creative. Okay? Let's see what else. 10 years from now for Sagittarius, what are the energies sa kanilang future self? 10 years from now. Oh. Okay, we have Virgo energy. I think if you are someone creative or meron kang talent sa arts, like painting, I feel like ito yung ipupursu mo. Oo. See, you have transformation here. It's para siyang parang ipapanganak ka ulit. Hindi literal na ipapanganak ulit, but it's like a new life, a brand new life. Oo. Wow. Meron talagang freedom. Okay, Knight of Wands energy. Ito yung time na magte-take ka ng risk. Kasi you feel like, kaya mo nang mag-take ng risk. Kasi pwedeng dati, parang you can't take any risk kasi gusto mo sigurado lahat, calculated lahat ng mga actions mo. Pero 10 years from now, mas susubo ka ng mga bagong bagay na you've never done before. Dahil andun yung pagsisisi for some of you. Siguro nagsisisi kayo dahil hindi nyo sinubukan, hindi kayo nag-try. And you will realize na, meron pa palang time. May oras pa pala para gawin ko yon. Oo. So, at least, binigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na mag-tap into your skill set, your knowledge. May pag-aaral ka rin na gagawin eh. I feel like 10 years from now, meron ka mga taong iiwasan na alam mong hindi naman sila supportive of what you do, or maaring kapag nalaman kasi nila yung pagbabago na gagawin mo or yung pipiliin mo, hindi nila maiintindihan, and mas okay sa'yo na dumistansya para hindi mo na kailangang mag-explain sa kanila kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong baguhin sa buhay mo. However, merong mga tao na nakakaintindi sa mga gusto mong gawin. At sila yung makakasama mo sa journey na to. There are people na who will collaborate with you, work with you, to help you dito sa journey na to, na bago mong papasukin. This can be a new source of income, a new career path. And maaring dito ka mas maging successful with the 10 of Pentacles. I also see, no, kung ikaw ay single, 10 years from now, definitely meron kang family. Magkakaroon ka ng anak, merong pregnancy din dito, no? If you've been wanting to get pregnant, or yung asawa mo, 10 years from now, definitely meron yan, no? Magkakaroon. Pwedeng magiging anak nyo ay isang water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. So, ipapanganak siya around June, July, tapos October, November, tapos February, March. Ayan. And also, may mga times na nagda-doubt ka pa rin sa sarili mo. Pero I don't think na hahayaan mo yang makaapekto sa mga gusto mong gawin. You are finally freeing yourself, focusing on what you really want. At dun ka mas magiging very successful. All that glitters. Sabi nga, hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. Kumbaga, marireveal sa'yo yung mga intentions ng mga tao. Kung ano ba yung totoo nilang intentions. 10 years from now, magiging mas maayos ka sa pananamit. Magkakaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo kung paano mo dalhin yung sarili mo. See, there's a new life. And I'm also seeing here, pregnancy talaga. Baby. May bagong family member. Let's see. Detachment. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, iiwas ka sa mga friends na alam mong hindi naman supportive of you. And then, another thing, magpapalakas ka ng sarili mong katawan. Oo. Gi-improve ka ng iyong endurance. Some of you, 10 years from now, will be sexually active. But you have to be maging maingat kasi magiging ka parang very attractive to the point na baka maka-attract ka ng mga maling tao. Okay? So, maging maingat sa pagpili ng mga tao na hahayaan mo maging part ng iyong life. Oo. Kasi sometimes, yan parang nagmamask, 'di ba? Meron silang maskarang sinusuot para makita mo lang kung ano yung maganda sa kanila, yung kung ano yung positibo sa kanila, but hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung mga red flag sa kanila. Breathe. I think mas focus ka rin 10 years from now sa peace of mind mo. Oo. You will do yoga, meditation. Very spiritual yung energy na to. Mas pipiliin mo yung peace. Maaring ang ikaw titira sa isang remote na lugar, yung tipong province vibes na wala masyadong kapitbahay, or hindi ka masyadong maglalalabas, or you just want peace, ganon. Peace of mind. Rituals. Some of you, Sagittarius, maaring kayo ay into witchcraft, no? Or meron kayong um, mga gagawin like focused on your skills, abilities. Tapos, pwedeng gagawin mo siyang business. 10 years from now. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.